Imagine a world without human life. Streets once filled with cars are now empty. Buildings stand tall but silent. This is Earth without humans. Nature would reclaim urban spaces. Pollution would decrease. The Earth would heal. Cities, once symbols of human achievement, would be among the first structures to show the passage of time. Without constant maintenance, buildings would begin to decay, concrete would crack, steel would rust, and glass windows would shatter. Within a few decades, cities would start to resemble ancient ruins, slowly being overtaken by vegetation. Roads and infrastructure would also crumble. Potholes would grow into craters, and bridges would weaken without regular repairs. The carefully planned systems that keep cities running would grind to a halt, leaving behind remnants of a bygone era. This process of decay might seem like destruction, but it's also a natural process of decomposition, returning materials to the earth. It highlights the impermanence of human creations compared to the enduring power of nature. Nature has an incredible ability to adapt and thrive, even in the most unexpected places. With humans gone, plants and animals would waste no time in reclaiming their lost territories. Weeds would be the first pioneers, pushing through cracks in pavement and concrete. Their seeds, carried by wind or deposited in animal droppings, would find fertile ground in the decaying debris of human civilization. Soon, larger plants and trees would take root, their roots breaking up concrete and asphalt as they reach for sunlight and water. Animals would follow, finding shelter and food in the burgeoning urban jungle. This process, known as ecological succession, demonstrates the power of nature to heal and regenerate, turning desolate landscapes into thriving ecosystems. The absence of humans would bring immediate positive changes to the environment. Air pollution levels would drop dramatically without emissions from cars, factories and power plants. The skies above cities would become clearer and visibility would improve. Water quality in rivers and lakes would also see a marked improvement as industrial waste and sewage discharges cease. Noise pollution, a constant presence in human-dominated areas, would vanish, replaced by the sounds of nature. This sudden silence would be a stark reminder of the impact humans have on the planet's soundscape. These immediate environmental improvements highlight the unsustainable nature of many human activities and underscore the importance of finding more environmentally friendly ways to live. Section 5. The Wild Triumphant, Ecosystems Reborn. With pollution levels decreasing and human interference gone, Earth's ecosystems would experience a remarkable resurgence. Forests would expand, reclaiming land previously used for agriculture or urban development. Wetlands, vital for water filtration and biodiversity, would flourish once more, providing habitats for a wide range of species. Coral reefs, stressed by human activities, would have a chance to recover, their vibrant ecosystems returning to their former glory. This ecological revival would not be limited to specific locations. The interconnectedness of ecosystems means that positive changes in one area would have ripple effects across the globe, leading to a healthier and more resilient planet. Section 6. Return of the Kings, Animal Life Flourishes. The absence of humans would be a game changer for many animal species, particularly those hunted, displaced or endangered by human activities. Large predators like wolves, bears and big cats would experience a resurgence, their populations no longer controlled by hunting or habitat loss. Animals that once thrived in areas now dominated by humans would return, reclaiming their ancestral territories. Elephant herds would roam freely across Africa, while whales would populate the oceans in greater numbers, their songs echoing through the depths. The return of these keystone species would have a profound impact on the balance of ecosystems, restoring natural order and ensuring the health of the entire food chain. Section 7. Echoes of the past, historical examples of nature's resilience. We don't have to imagine what a world without humans might look like. History provides compelling examples of nature's ability to reclaim spaces once occupied by humans. The temples of Angkor Wat in Cambodia, slowly overtaken by jungle after the collapse of the Khmer Empire, stand as a testament to the patient power of nature. Chernobyl, Ukraine, evacuated after the 1986 nuclear disaster, now teems with wildlife, a poignant example of nature's resilience in the face of catastrophe. These examples, while occurring on a smaller scale, offer a glimpse into the potential for ecological restoration when human impact is removed. Section 8. Learning from silence. What Earth's comeback teaches us. Imagining Earth without humans is not about wishing for our disappearance, but rather about gaining a fresh perspective on our relationship with the planet. It allows us to see the world through a different lens, one where human dominance is not a foregone conclusion. The story of Earth's comeback is ultimately a story of resilience, adaptation, and the interconnectedness of all living things. It highlights the incredible power of nature to heal and regenerate when given the chance. By understanding the ecological processes at play, we can gain valuable insights into how to create a more sustainable future, one where humans and nature can coexist in harmony. Section 9. A future reimagined, hope for a balanced coexistence. We must protect our planet. Choose sustainability, conservation, and respect for nature. Learn from Earth's lessons. Be responsible stewards. Shift from dominance to partnership with nature. Rethink consumption, reduce footprint, embrace innovation. Create a better future for all.